Welcome to JH. I recently reviewed Faith Linen, and frankly, the online presentation is far more impressive than the actual product. They market high-end linen bedding supposedly crafted from 100% European flax, promising year-round temperature control and a 5-star hotel experience. While their website highlights stone-washed comfort and OEX-certified materials, there is zero evidence to back these assertions. They even display suspicious statistics, claiming every user felt cooler and 96% improved their sleep, boasting over 12,000 satisfied buyers. However, a closer look reveals that the testimonials appear fabricated, using staged photography, stock images, and AI-generated text. Furthermore, they claim features in major outlets like Forbes and the Wall Street Journal, yet no such mentions actually exist. The pricing strategy is another red flag. They list sheets at $89 after a massive 80% discount, but nearly identical items are sold on wholesale platforms for less than $10. Despite their claims of European craftsmanship, these are just inexpensive imports. This brand is brand new with no track record, and many of their styles are simply ripped from generic retailers. Ultimately, while the website appears sophisticated, the reality is just an overpriced and exaggerated product.